new tool that I discovered. Right, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. So as I mentioned before, Hania, remember I said that the module is all about management and operations. But when we talk about management, we also talk about leadership, right? No, Aman, when you hear the word leadership, what comes to mind? What comes to mind when you hear the word leadership? Aman, what comes to mind when you hear the word leadership? Tell me, what comes to mind? Aman, are you there? Aman. Hania, when you hear the word leadership, what comes to mind? When you hear the word, okay, Hania says inspiration, okay. Hania, when Hania hears the word leadership, Hania thinks inspiring others. They need to inspire others, okay. Let me see if I can fit that in. Inspiring others, that's interesting. Okay, try to make this work. Nice. So inspiring others, right? So I'm going to put that in. Inspiring others. Oops. Yeah, that's good. Let me just ship this across. Right. That's a good one. What about you, Aman? Aman, I'm still waiting. When you hear the word leadership, what comes to mind? You said it. Okay. So Hania said inspiring others. Let me see what else. I'm getting a lot of stuff here. I'm getting some energy. I am getting some energy here. So hey, Aman is saying a person who leads. When you hear the word leadership, Aman says it thinks about someone who leads. All right. Okay. You think about someone who leads. Okay. All right. No problem. Yeah, I think that's fair. Yeah, so you think about someone who leads. Yeah, I'm definitely with you on that one. Yes, I am with you on that one indeed. Hold on, I'm coming to the others. And then I have my friend here. Who I have here? I have so we have Talha saying responsibility and Samantha saying someone who directs. Hania says passion. Hold on. All right, let me get Talha first. Hold on. Talha. So Talha thinks when thinks responsibility. Interesting. Yeah. Hold on. Yeah, I can relate to that. Talha thinks responsibility. Yeah. Get this up here. All right. I'm gonna make this a bit smaller. Responsibility. Yeah, I'm with you on that. Yeah, not bad. Let's bring it up here. Cool. Yeah. So responsibility. I'm seeing here. I'm getting a lot. Hold on. Let me just get everyone in first. Samantha. So let me Samantha and Husna. Hold on. I'm gonna come to the others. Samantha and Husna. Husna. Right. Nice. Good. So Samantha says, let me get Samantha says someone who directs. All right. Yeah, I can work with that, Samantha. I can work with that. Right? Someone who directs. Yeah. Someone who directs. Who directs others. Yeah. Definitely. Someone who directs others. Yes. And I've seen a lot here. I don't want to forget anyone else. Hold on. Husna, I have. Okay. Husna says authority. Husna thinks authority. Just want to get everyone on the board here. Husna says authority. Yeah. Not bad at all. Authority. All right. Nice, nice. We're going all right, man. We're going all right. Testing one, two, three. Testing one, two, one, two, one, two, three. Right. So I think I have everyone on the board here. Talha says decision maker. A decision maker. Husna says power. Husna also says power. Right. I'm gonna type Husna's name here again. Husna says power. Yeah. Husna says power, guys. I got you on that. It's a good one. And see how we're shaping up nicely. We're shaping up nicely. Y'all hope you all seeing this. Tala says okay, Hania says coaches and building a team. That is Hania. Do I have Hania? Anybody? Yes. Okay, Hania, I'm gonna put your name here again. Hania says coaching and building a team. All right, Hania. Yeah, I can work with that. Coaching and building a team. Yeah. Coaching and building a team. Yeah. Coaching and building a team. Good one. All right. I want to get all. I want to get all on the board. Very good. Very good so far. Very good so far, Hania. My good friend Tala says decision maker. Husna says someone who has authority. Right. Tala says decision maker. Let me see. Put Tala on the board again. Tala says decision maker. I can work with that. Yes, I can work with that. Yeah. A decision maker. Yes, indeed. A decision maker. For sure. Yeah. Yeah. A decision maker. And did I leave out anyone? Did I leave out anyone? Did I leave out anyone? Someone okay, responsibility, supportive. Someone says supportive. Sarish says when Sarish says the word leader, Sarish thinks of managing. Okay, Sarish. Let me put you on the board here. Sarish thinks of managing others. I think of managing others, yeah. Yeah, it's not bad. It's a good one. Okay, cool. All right, make it a bit smaller. All right, so I like what I see. I like what I see. Ah, problem solver. I like that one. Or someone that evaluates the output of the team. A front. Omar. Let me put Omar on the board. I don't want to leave out anyone. Um, Omar says. Omar says a front forward. Omar, what do you mean by that? Omar, do you mean like a forward thinker? Like a forward thinker? Like maybe you mean a forward thinker. I'm gonna put that. A forward thinker, someone who is proactive, maybe What are your thoughts on that, Omar? A fellower? What do you mean by fellower? I don't get that. But Sarah says a problem. Sarah says a problem solver. I'm gonna put. All right. Okay, a problem solver. Okay. All right. So I think we're going okay so far. Let me. Yeah. All right. Okay. Okay. I think I get what you're saying. All right. Testing one, two, three. Testing one, two, three. Are you all with me? So are you all there? Are you all with me? So you know what we're doing? We're doing a mind mapping. This is a mind mapping exercise. All right. I need to make it a bit bigger for you all to see what is written there. A little bigger. So let me challenge Aman. Aman, when you say think about someone who leads. When you said when you hear the word leader, you think about someone who leads. When you think about someone who leads, what else you often think about? What else you think about when you think about someone who leads? What else comes to mind? What else comes to mind, Sarish, when you think about managing others? What else comes to mind? What else comes to mind? What else comes to mind, Samantha, when you think about someone who directs others? So, what else comes to mind? What else comes to mind, Husna, when you think about power? When you think about leadership, you think about power. Okay, well, when you think about power, what else do you think about? Y'all got me? Y'all got me? Testing one, two, three, testing one, two, three. So, Aman says, Aman, this is in relation to what? This is in relation to what? Aman. I'll see. Aman, think about someone who leads. Okay, so Aman, in thinking about someone who leads, you think about strong and capable decision maker. Very good. Nice. Awesome. Awesome. Ooh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Hold on. Let me go add this up. Hold on, Aman. I need to extend this. I need to extend it. All right, Aman. Let me extend it. Hold on. Hold a minute, Aman. Right. So my friend Aman thinks about someone who is I forgot. Let me get it. Someone who is capable of making decisions. All right, I'll put it like that. Someone you think about someone capable of making decisions. Oh, okay. Let me spell check this. Right. Nice. My mapping we go. All right. Very well, very well. Good to see bubble.us or bubble.us. Bubble.us is free online. Yeah, okay, what else? What else? What else? So this is good. I don't want to miss anyone. Samantha says, so Samantha, wait, Samantha, I'll coming back to you. Saris says, control. So control is so which one, Sarish? Hold on. Okay, so Sarish, when you think about okay, when you think about managing others, you think about control. Okay, I think that's okay. So I'm extending this one. You think about control. Very good, very good, excellent, nice, very good. So you all seeing the mind map? Are you all seeing the mind map? You're seeing how the mind map is framing up. All right, and then very good one there. Vision, view, vision, and picture. Okay, hold on. Samantha. This relates to what, my dear? I'm trying to capture everyone. Samantha, this relates to what? Let me go to your point, Samantha. Samantha's point was on. Hold on, Samantha. Samantha, you said someone who directs others. So you said who directs a team and helps them achieve complex team goals. Very good, Samantha. Very good, very good, very good. All right. So when Samantha thinks about someone who directs others, Samantha goes on to think about directing the team to achieve their goals. Hold on. Testing one, two, three. This is part one.